What's up, guys? Dallas here. We're back with another video for you guys today, and we are not in my garage. We are outside on a dirt road and finally making a video that I've been wanting to make for a while now. As you can see, we got lights galore. Backlighting on our ditch lights. We got backlighting on our 8-pod light setup up on top. And that's what today's video will be all about. We've been wanting a light setup exactly like this for a while now. And I honestly could not be happier. And before we begin, these are the Sigma X5 lights by Special Lighting. They are a new company that is overseas and that is making their way very quickly to the US. And you guys may have already seen lots of people rocking these Sigma X5 lights, and they are absolutely beautiful. This is their backlight setting, and I'm not too sure if they have it on the clear lens as well, but when these lights are actually off, it has that yellow um, lens that you do see. And what's awesome about this is that it does come with a cap on it that says SL for special lighting. And as you can tell, I really love the look of these. I really do. I've been wanting this for quite some time now, previous builds, and I just couldn't afford it. So we bit the bullet this time around and got 10 Sigma X5 lights, 8 on the top, 2 in the ditch lights, as you can see, and they got a backlight feature. Most lights or some lights do not have a backlight feature that you can see, or maybe they do. I'm just wrong. I don't even know. Sorry about that. It's getting kind of dark, but I figured I'd make a quick video before sunset goes down or sunset sets, because I want to make sure you guys can get a great and good look of how these lights look with their backlighting. Here shortly, I'm going to show you what it looks like when the lights are fully on. And damn, that thing just looks absolutely amazing. And if you guys are interested in rocking a set of Sigma X5s or any lights by Special Lighting, use my discount code, the link down below, my discount code Dallas, to save some money. It's just my first name, simple as that. Use that code, save you some money, and then your rig or van or wherever you want to put these lights on can look like mine's. And I highly recommend you to do so. All right, so get a good look of it. That's exactly how it looks like with the backlighting on. Let's go in right now real quick to show you what the regular lights look like. All right, are you guys ready? And there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that is freaking bright. I'm gonna go see what it looks like behind the camera right now. Sheesh. All right, I'm gonna go grab this tripod and take you in front of it and show you. Holy crap, holy lumens. That is damn bright. We're gonna go ahead and turn this around to see what am I looking at. I'm looking at the cornfield. Although you can't really tell how bright that is right now, it's about dusk. That is pretty damn bright. Look at that. Give you guys a second. Oh my God, it's blinding me. It's blinding me. Oh my God. And you're probably wondering why I don't have the ditch lights on. It's because I just want you to see the difference with the 8-pod bar, 8-pod light bar on, and when these Sigma X5s are not on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn these bad boys on and that off real quick. And there you go. Those are the ditch lights on right now. And they put off some really good lights. or they put off some really good light off of these ditch light brackets. And again, these are the Sigma X5's. These are the same lights here that's on there. So you can get these separate. I got the pair, of course, for the ditch lights, and then they have custom light setups for the top. Different setups that you can buy as for the ditch lights and the 8-pod setup. I know they have a 2 setup, a 4, 6, and 8, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off real quick because we have some people that we are shining to. There's a farmhouse back there, but there you go. That is the lights by Special Lighting. But looking at these right now, they look amazing, and tying it into with our rock lights, amazing. This has really been just a dream setup for our truck, and we have been doing so many things to it, and there are so many other things that I want to do to the pickup, but I only can do so much. Guys, this hobby is very expensive, as you guys may know. Pricing on these lights, I'm not too sure, and I don't want to say any pricing before you quote me and you guys get mad at me for pricing. But go ahead and go on their website. I believe it's speciallighting.com. And again, I said earlier, use my discount code Dallas, just my first name, DALLAS, just to go and save some money. Again, I'm not sure on the percentage, but go ahead and do so that your truck, rig, car, SUV, Subaru, whatever you guys name it, and you guys want to put these lights on, will look exactly like my rig. And I believe the X5 stands for a 5-inch pod. So don't quote me on that, but I think they are 5 inches, and it looks amazing. I have it controlled on a switch panel, which I'll show you right here. All right. So I have these lights controlled right now on a 8-gang switch panel from Rough Country. As you can see, I have 2 buttons missing. I have the backlighting on these 3 buttons right here. That's my rock lights. And then the 2 DRL backlighting. And then I have the other regular lights up on top. So for ditch lights, and then I do have 2 buttons that I'm running for the regular lights right here. These babies do draw lots of power. These babies sorry, these Sigma X5 lights by Special Lighting do draw a lot of power, but as you can tell, because it's so dang bright, so I did have to use 2 switches to run those the regular lights, you know, like super bright yellow ones, not the backlighting, and I'm okay with that. There's other ways to go around it, but that's a lot of money to do, and money I don't have or got. But yeah, that is my Special Lighting Sigma X5. We got 10 of them, and I mean 10 of them. 8 on the roof, 2 in the ditch light brackets, and I want to add more. So I have to figure out how I can add more. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Thank you guys for the support. Like, follow, subscribe, all that kind of jazz. Truly appreciate your guys' support. And if you guys actually seen these lights or seen the truck a couple weeks ago at the expo, huge shout out to everybody that came and asked me a bunch of questions. I truly appreciate that. We're going to be at Rodeo X Rigs here in a couple weeks. We're going to be sitting at a booth. So if you guys watch this video and so happen to be going to that event, say what's up, and peace.